Hey, I want you to be completely honest with me here. How many inbound phone calls does your business miss every single day? I've been a business owner for over 25 years, and I totally get it. I'm either away from the phone, on another call, out to lunch, taking a break. Maybe I'm just super immersed in what I'm doing, and I'm just not able to answer the phone. It happens a lot more than you realize. And you know what? You're not alone. Now, every day, approximately 62% of all calls that go to all small businesses go completely unanswered. Crazy, but it's true. Now, just think of all the lost business and revenue and opportunities that happen every single day just because businesses aren't able to get to the phone. More than half of their inbound calls are just missed. So if you don't know me already, my name's Corey with Launch Agency, and I have a really simple and effective solution and a very powerful fix called the missed text callback automation. Now, once we set up this insanely cool integration, every time a call comes in and your business isn't able to answer on time, our software will automatically fire back a text message and say something like, "Hey, we're sorry we missed you. How can we help you?" We can customize it however you want. Then you'll be able to continue the conversation via text and then, restore that lost opportunity. So this one feature could literally save you thousands of dollars every year, double your sales, and really help you out. So if you're a Go High Level or Launch software user, we can go ahead and get that set up for you in a snap. If you're not already a Go High Level or Launch software user, we can help you get that up as well with a low-cost solution with base features. We can have you up and running by the end of the day. By the way, here at Launch, we also automate just about everything else. We save you time and money, and most importantly, we make your business run more efficiently. We build custom digital courses, beautifully polished funnels, and we do amazingly complicated integrations. I mean, we can literally do almost anything you can possibly fathom to help streamline your business. So go ahead and reach out to us and ask us how we can help streamline your business today. And don't forget to order your missed text callback.